Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma everyone, Jai Ma. क्या बनाया आज? पनीर की कड़ी. There are lots of different ways of making कड़ी. मूली की कड़ी भी बनती है, भिंडी की बनती है. I think I've shown you some of them. So today I'm making paneer kadhi. See how it is made, and you can have it with rice, like boiled rice. You know, it's very tasty. Have a look. So now, first we have to take dahi. About 1 cup of dahi. And first I'll beat this up. इसमें कोई गोली गोली नहीं होनी चाहिए, you know, so you have to beat it nicely. And then 2 tablespoons of besan, gram flour. Mix it. You have to whisk it properly. You can do it in the mixer also. तो मिक्सर में करने से क्या होता है कि कोई गोली गोली नहीं बचती है. So you have to be careful of that. It takes a while to mix all this. And then I'll first put in adrak mirchi paste. And a little bit of haldi and salt. Now whisk it. See, this is done. Now you mix a little water. जितना आपको चाहिए for the curry, you know, and make it like a chash. So the first step is you have to keep this ready, the ghol. Now we go to the gas. Now we put the pan on the gas and put little oil. Once the oil gets heated, garam है pan, तो वो जल्दी हो जाता है. Jeera. Again, measurements are given in the description box. Kadi patta. Little bit of methi. Methi dana. Put the flame on slow. Ajwain. Hing. Lal Kashmiri or Kashmiri. These are other dry chillies. So throw that in. And then we mix. Saute a little bit. The steel chammach is making kana kana noise. Can't help it. Let it crackle. Then throw your chillies, green chillies, chopped as many as you want, and adrak, chopped. Mix. Let it saute. Now once we do this, what I have done is I've taken 200 grams of paneer and cut it in cubes. So you take that, throw it in. on slow flame. And then we saute this. Till it is a little bit brown. Let it saute. Now see, the paneer is getting a little bit brownish, goldenish. That time you put in 2 teaspoons of dhaniya powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, little bit of garam masala, little bit, not much. Then half a teaspoon of cumin, jeera powder. And again mix. But before mixing, put a little bit of water for all the masalas to blend nicely with the paneer. I need a little more water. See. Once this is done, then you take your curd mixture, the chash that we made, and pour it in. Take more water here. And in it goes, in the curry. And put the flame on high and mix. Can you see in the camera?
Yes.
Because you're quite far away. So if you come close, they can see. I have already put salt in the mixture. So I'm going to put very little just now. Then we can always check later. And let it come to a boil. I think I'll need more water. कड़ी का क्या है ना, वो कड़नी चाहिए. कड़ी means कड़ना चाहिए. कड़ना means it has to go on boiling. Then the curry turns out very well. If you just give one boil, it's not so great. So curry को कड़ाइए by letting it boil. More water. And go and stir it. It's boiling. See. अब इसको काफी boil करिए, हाँ? I'm putting it on slow. Let it go on boiling, and then you put hara dhaniya chopped last. Okay, once it comes to a boil, and then your curry is ready to serve. Looks good, na? So try it with steamed rice. It's really yummy. You don't need anything else, paneer wali curry or chawal. That's more than enough. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavane तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री शिमानंदमयी की जय। आज की कड़ी वेरी नाइस। जय माँ।
जय माँ।